po regarding dito pa rin sa impeachment. Insisting na yung forthwith, dapat ibig sabihin yan, immediately mag-convene na yung Senate impeachment po. Nasagot niyo na po ba yun?
Hindi sinasabing immediately mag-convene. Wala sa Constitution yun. Ang nakalagay, shall proceed with trial forthwith. Pero kay Senator Coco mismo nanggaling, di ba? Nung in-interview niyo siya pag-file ng impeachment, hindi na aabot dahil magsasagutan pa din eh. Magpa-file pa ng answer si VP Sara, magpa-file ng reply ang kabila, ang prosecutors, maaari mag-file ng rejoinder si VP Sara, maaari mag-file ng sir rejoinder ang prosecutor, maaari mag-file ng anumang ad cautela pleading ang magkabilang panig bago kami makapag-set ng pre-trial. Sang-ayon sa rules of court na suppletorily applicable sa amin, pre-trial shall be set no more than 30 days from the time the issues have been joined and the last pleading has been filed. So, 10, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, plus 30. Ubus na rin eh. Bago magsimula ang trial. Ulitin ko, kaya tinawag ng free trial, hindi pa trial yon. Eh di pag trial yun, sinabi na lang sana trial, hindi free. Di ba? Free trial pa lang yon. So hindi naman talaga kakayanin na mag-trial agad-agad tulad ng ginamit niya sa kanyang sulat, di ba? But nevertheless, I respect Senator Pimentel as a lawyer, and I know he's a bar top-notcher, so we will nevertheless refer this matter to the Senate Rules Committee and to the legal team that the Senate is slowly but surely building up in connection with this case para naman matimbang at makonsidera yung kanyang suggestion.
Kasi para sa inyo, SP, under your leadership, how do you deal with that word, forthwith, in the Constitution?
Forthwith, within the bounds of law. Illegal na mag-convene ako ngayon dahil wala kaming sesyon. Ayokong madaliin dahil nag-relax ang Kamara ng 2 buwan tapos mamadaliin kami ngayon. Pangatlo, bakit iba ang pagtrato ko sa kaso ni VP Sara sa pagtrato ng Senado noon sa mga naunang impeachment na nung may recess ang Senado, nag-recess ang Senado. Hindi nag-convene ng recess. Tinuloy nung nakapag-convene na ng may sesyon, tinuloy sa recess, pero hindi nagsimula, inintay matapos ang recess. Baka mamaya may reklamo na naman manggaling sa kampo niya. Na ika nga, minamadali ito. Kung papakinggan ko yung mga gustong ma-impeach sa VP Sara at gagawin ko yan, magre-reklamo naman yung kabila na minamadali talaga ito. Unawain ninyo at uulitin ko. Baliwala sa akin at hindi bali sa akin ang anumang opinyon o suwestyon o pagtulak ng mga partisano, pabor o kontra sa impeachment, pabor o kontra kay VP Sara. Gagawin namin kung anong tingin naming tama at dapat na ayon sa batas at sa konstitusyon nang hindi nagpapa-apekto sa kanila.
Sir, will you ask the President to have a special session of COMELEC?
No. I said that already because under the Constitution, I can only ask for that with after consultation with the majority and minority floor leaders and with the consent of the Speaker of the House for urgent legislation. You yourselves already know that impeachment is totally different from legislation or the passing of laws.
Thank you, SP.
Ma'am Camille, then Ma'am Minfa.
Just to add,
Hello.
the Constitution said, a special session can be convened in case of vacancy in the position of President or Vice President, which includes the possibility of impeachment. But still, the framers did not say that the Senate President can ask for a special session for the purpose of conducting an impeachment trial. That was clearly excluded by the framers of the Constitution, knowing fully well that that situation is possible. So you have to understand, when I'm strictly following the Constitution, it's only for urgent legislation that I can request for a special session.
Ma'am Camille, SP,